So I was telling them that we were supposed to be going out. We were going out. Caramel, did you get anything for me? That is not for me. I don't like caramel popcorn. That is not for me. So I'm thinking we going out tonight, right? We're not going out tonight.
A date.
We had a date at Buc-Ee's. I can't stand you. I don't believe he took me to Buc-Ee's. Look at all this wonderful selection of cookies and cakes.
Beaver nuggets.
They're beaver nuggets. Oh, you see? Yeah. Beaver nuggets. Oh my gosh. Are we really doing this? We having a date at Buc-Ee's. Cheryl. My sister Cheryl calls you. Do you know what she calls you?
What?
Eye candy. Eye candy. Cheryl, eye candy took me to Buc-Ee's for a date. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is awesome.
Yeah, the buzzball chili.
Oh, I like that. Buzz balls. I like that. Look at that. Buzz ball. You got sunflower seeds. There's so much to see at Buc-Ee's. Black flag. Yes. Girl, just come in. But they don't check out. Coconut clusters. Oh, these look kind of good though. With sunflower seeds and cashews and almonds and chia. And chia seeds. Babe, I could make these. Small batches. Wow, I like that. There's so much at Buc-Ee's. I feel like I could do a commercial for them like right now. Like take one of the carts and like dance and sing. And, you know?
Throw you
The
out.
whole Buc-Ee's thing. There's coffees. Look at there. Iced coffees. Getting it ready, buddy. Beaver nuggets. There's so much at Buc-Ee's. There's a bakery?
Yeah, they make fudge down here too.
They make fudge too. You know what? That's right. Myrtle Beach loves their fudge. What is it? I'm not crazy about fudge. Oh, the brisket sandwiches. Man, yeah.
You don't mind us filming? You cutting up the brisket, do you? You don't mind us filming? She has a food blog. She wanted to film you cutting up the brisket. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Babe, you be looking out for me though. Look at him. That brisket sandwich though be so good. Ooh, it's so good. Look at that. That's how I like mine, kind of coarse chopped, not too fine. I like some chunks. Some chunks. And brother man, let me tell you, He know what he's doing. He know what he's doing. Ooh, he put that sauce in there. He gonna get some more. He gonna get some more. Ooh wee. It's a puddle. It's a puddle of it in there. It's a whole puddle. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Look how he folded it in there. The sauce, the folding. Look at it. And he ain't just beating it up. Like, he took his time. He chopped it in one direction. And look how he just folded it on the inside of the sauce. That's what you... Look at it. Almost like he just kind of... Yeah. Yeah. Now you don't have a wet pile of mess. You've got something... Oh, my God. Oh. Y'all better come to BUC-EE'S. Y'all better come to BUC-EE'S. Y'all better come to BUC-EE'S. Let me tell you.
That's Mr. Van.
Mr. Van. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, you did that. Baby, when you put the two puddles in the middle, when you put the puddles in the middle though, and you folded it inside. Yes, and you... Woo! Woo! My God. He folded it. Ooh.
That's destiny.
Ooh, your smile is beautiful, girl. My God, what are you selling? Because we buying 10 of them. We're getting all 10. What you get? You got to get us something for a smile, baby. I told you.
I got to pay for this. I pay for all this right here. Okay, half a dozen.
My God, look at this. I'm spoiled.
Half the cookies for $4.99.
I'm spoiled.
All right, half a dozen. Yeah. What does she have?
Look at this cinnamon roll, though. Why does cinnamon roll look like a whole moon cake? My God. The cinnamon roll with the pecans on it. Lord. Good God Almighty. How do you work here every day? How do you do this?
I'm sorry, I mean, put you on the spot.
They got sausage, cheese, jalapeno, kolache. Sausage and cheese, kolache. Yeah. They got it at BUC-EE'S. That's what. They got it at BUC-EE'S. I never wanted to go to BUC-EE'S before. I've never wanted to go to BUC-EE'S. Why? It takes too long to fill up. You gotta wait in a damn parade to fill up your car because people are lined up down the interstate. Okay? But why? For all my jerky lovers, for the jerk in you. This is for the jerk in you. This is pepper turkey for the jerk in you. Yeah. Korean barbecue. Bohemian garlic. What? You can actually see the spices on the jerky, and they dry differently. So you'll get a piece of meat from a certain cut, of the cow, and it will taste different than another cut because you're getting different cuts from different parts of the animal. Okay, for those of you that consume animals too. All right, but when it becomes jerky, and that seasoning go all through the jerky, it feels like you can save a piece of meat down there in your gum right there. Like, yeah, you started in the morning and you like tuck a little piece down in your gum, then you go back and get it later in the afternoon. That's what this is. That's what this is for the jerk in you. For the jerk in you. I'm gonna start making me some carrot jerky. Some carrot jerky. What do you think, Joel? I think some carrot jerky would be an abomination. It would be an abomination unto God. Why in the hell would you want to jerk carrot? I don't know. But these meats, woo. You got jalapeno cream cheese, stuffed pork tenderloin. Oh, you got pork and beef sausage. We love our meats. We love our meats. We got 3 cheese. We got 3 cheese. What? Fajita flavor. I don't know if. Look at all. Look, and we're not done. That was just the food. Then they got the jerkies that you can like package up. Look at that. A whole wall of them. And then you got all of these. Look at this. Look at this. Established 1982. BUC--EE'S. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a Christmas present for you, babe. Hey, some BUC--EE'S shorts. Oh no! I love it. Oh my God, I gotta get you that. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you. God, BUC--EE'S books. BUC--EE'S bookmobile. Look at this. We got toys that help our anxiety. We got torches. Torches is what they say in England, baby. Did you know that? Flashlights. Yeah, they say torches. They don't say flashlights. They say the torch. Do you know what the torch is? Look at there. There's a torch by the telly. You know what? Oh my God, this is lamb? Freeze-dried lamb dog. Let me tell you, dogs are getting the most these days. And duck? What? Oh my God. Look at these fine leather goods. Oh, babe, look at that. Warriors don't cry. Don't sit down. Look at this. Oh, wow. What? Oh, okay, so sale. 10% off. Thank you. Look at this. Whiskey kind of cowgirl. Hey. What's he trying to say? What's he saying?
Blonde hair don't care.
No hair don't care. Hey! Oh, wow. I like. You know, only my baby. I ain't gonna lie though. This is like the best date we had in a long time. Other than Detroit, that shit was lit. But let me tell you, this BUC-EE'S tour right now is everything. It's so nice. It's not a lot of people. I think that's what it. One time I came through and it was so many people. Like
It's midnight. That's why.
yeah, it's midnight now. So look at there. Oh wow! And I bet they smell like coffees. That's so nice. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. They love. A little colonizer bird on there. Child. Unless you are George Strait or God, remove your poo. Oh, look at my state, y'all. My state. Look at Sumter. And then Lee County. Somewhere. No, they ain't got Lee County, but they got Florence. Look at Florence. Lake City. They ain't even put Lynchburg on there. And I'm mad. Can't find Cocoa. Look at all of these. That's from. It's gonna be in BUC-EE'S. You heard that? Did you hear that? My cookbook is gonna be in BUC-EE'S. I felt that. No. What are beaver nuggets? Are they like the
I don't know.
Oh. It's literally cattle call.
What are they?
What are they?
Yeah, what are they made out of?
I have no clue. They pop cereal.
Are they good? You put them in cereal.
Like that King Vitamin cereal. Not the King Vitamin, the
They taste like pop
the
cereal.
Pops.
Yeah.
Pop cereal.
They're pretty good. They're good.
You've had them before?
Yes.
They make y'all eat this stuff?
No.
Oh. I didn't know they make you eat this stuff.
No. Nah, I make pretty good like beef because you'll be sitting there too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You get the bag?
Yay, I did. Oh, look at these little grills. A tabletop. Look at that. That is so cute. Old country barbecue pits. Oh, perfect. You could do some yakitori on the deck for the summer. Oh goodness. That was good. Thank you.
Thank you. You had to go to the bathroom when they do all this.
Woo! At least we got to the bathroom. Cause child, I was concerned. Woo! But that was good. I tell you, you always know how to show me a good time.
You get home,
No,
you can edit that and make this thing look
I don't know if I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna keep it just like it is, nice and raw, just like y'all like it. Messy, just like my life. Enjoy it.